Thanks to the excellent example of some of you on Facebook, we decided to finally conquer the Farmington Creek Waterfall hike early one morning a couple of weeks ago. It's a 40-foot waterfall east of Lagoon in Farmington. The lower gate was closed, so our hike turned into over a 5-mile jaunt round trip from our cars. We estimated the elevation gain to be about 1,360 feet, and the most interesting part of the hike is the last 50 feet you need to rappel down from the main trail. Luckily, there is a knotted rope to help getting down the 80-degree cliff face and back up to the trail again. The waterfall drops into a rugged bowl in the middle of the stream. I was surprised to see how much water was flowing over the waterfall, considering how dry things have been. It's a beautiful hike, and you can even see a few very old cars along the way that must have been pushed off the road above many years ago.